Were you inspired by the Ring of Fire quilt tutorial made by Jenny Doan over at Missouri Star? Well, I was, but I said to myself, there's no way I'm going to cut out all those fabric pieces using a rotary cutter because that's so not me. And then I thought, there's a hack for that, and that hack is called the AccuQuilt cutting system. The pattern is not the exact match, but it's close enough to satisfy my desire. My name is Tammy. Thanks for watching. Now let's get into it. The Ring of Fire quilt tutorial inspired me because I like the batik fabrics in the video, and I also like the fact that it was a square. The dominant block is a square with what I perceive is motion around the edges. And also I was inspired because in the center of the block, there is a basic 4 patch, and I thought it was very interesting that Jenny, added the Ring of Fire around that 4 patch to make a very interesting design. So the supplies I'll be using to make the Summerfields pattern are the AccuQuilt Go Big cutter. I also have the Go Me, which I'll be using as well. I can show you how easy it is to cut on both cutters. I'll be using Moda Grunge fabric line. I am so in love with that Moda Grunge that I've purchased yards and yards of multiple colors. And so I'll also be using my vintage sewing machine crew. I'm sitting here in front of Santiago the Peacemaker. And let me show you the colors that I selected. So in the pattern, it calls for 5 different colors. In the pattern, they have the center, because this is like a sunflower look. In the pattern, they have a brown square in the center. I wasn't really feeling the brown, so I substituted the brown with this orange. So I have an orange, I have a green, I have, I guess it's considered an aqua, and then I have a yellow, and I have a cream. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you do not miss an episode of this series of my hack to the Ring of Fire quilt by Missouri Star.